Hi guys, it's Rachel here, and I'm just here with a quick Etsy update. I finally got the tags done for my Botanical Kit 2, and Steph did the journal cards for me. He'd already prepared the tags, but I hadn't decorated them yet. So I'll go through and show you. There's two kits. They're separate. One's 4-page and the other one's 8-page. So like what I've done with my other kits. So you first of all, with the tags, you get a this is a non-decorated tag, so pieces cut from the journal pages that are already in my shop, and then you get one that I have decorated digitally. So I've done some layering on them. Sometimes I add more, sometimes I add less, depending on how busy the background is. So this would be the plain-ish, and then this would be the decorated here, just so you can see. And then there's this one, and then this one here. So obviously if you want to decorate those, and then these for quick ephemera. You get to do quick ephemera with these. So that's those, and then you get the plain and then the decorated. Really love the colors in these. So that's the tags. This is a quick video. And then here we have the journal cards. Now I don't do two options of those because they come out quite decorated. When Steffi does them, he adds bits and pieces to them if he feels like they need it. So like that was added to that one. So I'll just show you those. So there's, he does 4 from each journal page. So no, that's 2 from each journal page, sorry, 2 from each journal page. So there's these, this one, and then this one. So that is it. Those are the new kits. We've actually designed another kit already. I was late with these, but we have another kit ready. I just have to decorate the tags again. It's really fun. And I did a few pages, and then Steph got all inspired and he did the rest. So it's really cool. And so I'll probably show that next week maybe, if I get a chance to do the tags. So I hope you like these. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.